Welcome to the Weather Center. On Tuesday afternoon, we saw a few patches of cloud giving us isolated thundershows over the central and eastern areas. It was mostly fine for much of the Eastern Cape, but over the western sections, we saw a lot of high-level cloud moving into the Western and Northern Cape, and we are watching this cold front, which is set to hit our shores as we begin Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to start off like this. This cold front will hit the southwest coastline by mid-morning, introducing cloud and rainy weather into these parts of South Africa. A cooler day is forecast over the western areas. Then in the afternoon, we will see a line of thundershows extending from the northwestern parts of the country down into the Eastern Cape, and isolated rain and thundershows are also possible for parts of eastern South Africa. In the evening, with this cold front moving further east, rainy weather will spread into the south coast and things are going to become dry for the eastern parts of the country. A breezy Wednesday is forecast along parts of the south coast, including around Port Elizabeth, where winds could gust to 40 kilometers per hour. We are going to have big winds blowing from the Northern Cape down into the Eastern Cape, allowing for hot afternoon temperatures for much of the province. Now, the big winds are also going to result in high fire danger conditions wherever you see that shade of red over the southern interior. Now, here's a closer look at what you can expect in your province. We are going to see isolated thundershows across the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. Upington is going to be partly cloudy, warming to 30 degrees, mostly sunny but mild for the western parts of the province. Light rain is forecast along the southwest coastline and the southern areas of the Western Cape. Top temperatures peaking at around 20 degrees for Cape Town, Worcester and Langaban. We are going to have partly cloudy skies for much of the south coast, where light rain can only be expected in the evening. Thundershows for Somerset East and Raffrinet, where a high of 32 is expected. Thundershows are also forecast for the rest of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be pretty hot for East London and Bishop, both peaking at around 32 degrees. We are going to see mostly sunny and pretty warm weather along the KZN coastal areas, partly cloudy for the northeast, with a small chance of thundershows around Newcastle. It's going to be fairly unsettled across much of the Mpumalanga province, a warm 26 for the high in Mbombela. We are also going to see thundershows across much of the Limpopo province, 24 for the top temperature in Polokwane. Fairly unsettled weather can also be expected over the western and eastern sections of the northwest, partly cloudy and dry for the rest of the province, Mahikeng and Klerksdorp, both peaking at 25 degrees. Thundershows are also forecast for the western areas of the Free State, Bloemfontein, warming to 24, a high of 25 for Velkom, with partly cloudy skies. Gauteng is also going to be fairly unsettled, with mild temperatures for Soweto and Johannesburg at around 23 degrees. On Thursday, we should see mostly sunny skies for Western South Africa, light rain for George, Port Elizabeth and East London, and thunderstorms are forecast for the eastern areas. We end the work week with cloud-free skies across the bulk of the country.